It's been a moment since I've been out on the trail, but I'm in Florida, hiking from the Blackwater connector up to Alabama. Instead of going to Alabama, I'm going to Fort Pickens, the actual end of the trail. And just testing out the gear we're going to use for the PCT, and it's a reason to just get out of Wisconsin when it's negative 10 degrees outside. So, yeah. In beautiful Florida, it's a sunshiny day, and it's nothing but flatland walking. Can't get much better than this. One nice thing about the Florida Trail, it is pretty smooth sailing when it's in great condition. And it's pretty nice out here too. Well, I've been hiking from the Blackwater. It turned into road hiking. What do you know? Coming down the road here, I see a Sparkles. She must have found a place to park. But this is about where I was supposed to meet her, about halfway through. So, yeah, Florida trail hiking. Quite a bit along the road, but it's always a nice road. So, look at her. Making good timing. I'm sitting here at what's going to be our water source. We don't have no water. So there it is. Dean Creek on the Eglin Air Force Base here. Today we got started, did about 17 miles from the Blackwater connector to our camping spot. It's about 10 miles on the road, but it is what it is. It's Florida, but it's pretty easy It's pretty easy road walking. It rained all night last night, and the Air Force Base had tons of artillery going off all night long. It was pretty crazy, but still managed to sleep pretty decently. Got up this morning, got rolling right away as soon as the rain stopped pretty much, and it's been a pretty nice day for hiking after the rain stopped, of course. And look at this nice boardwalk under a nice bridge, and I assume to elevated ground. It's going to be a pretty good day.